What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best placemats for a round table of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products? Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1, Shacos Round Table Placemats. This next set is another set of wedge placemats. This set of 7 includes 6 place setting as well as the centerpiece. If you don't need this many settings, you can downgrade to the set of 4 as well. The smaller set does not include the centerpiece, however. This brand offers a variety of colors as well. We selected a beautiful black gray, but you can also choose from blue, beige, green, black and blue, burgundy, white gray, orange, tan, and coffee. These are made with a blend that is 70% PVC and 30% polyester. They are woven but flat and simple as well, so they don't take a ton of space. These mats are durable and reversible. They are very easy to clean and you can just wipe them up or rinse them off. You should be aware that water can seep right through the mat, so it may not protect from spills. The mats are non-slip and heat-resistant. Pros: set of 7 with 6 place settings. Can also choose a set of 4 multiple color options to choose from, designed for decorative purposes, made with quality materials, easy to clean up. Cons: these were made mostly for looks and won't stop spills from seeping through. Some of the lighter colors do stain easily. Number 2, Benson Mills Pressed Vinyl Placemats. This set of 4 placemats is the set you will want to look at if you just want something to dress up or fancy up your place settings. These come in a set of 4, but you could always buy several sets if you need more or want to layer them to get really decorative. These come in multiple colors including gold, copper, blush, nickel, silver, black, and off-white. They also have different designs available, so you can choose the style you like best. If you really want to get snazzy, you can even choose shapes that are poinsettias or leaves for maybe holiday or seasonal settings. They are made of 100% durable vinyl material, so you can just wipe them clean or rinse them off if needed. We love that these just add a little bit of beauty to a simple decor. These placemats are designed for simple elegance and really made to impress. Pros: designed for simple elegance, you can layer and choose various styles and colors. Vinyl materials that are easy to just wipe off, perfect for gatherings and holidays. Durable and reliable. Cons: will not help with spill or heat protection. Some users had issues with paint coming off after a time. Number 3, D2 Classic Woven Round Placemat. These placemats from D2 are round placemats that come in a set of 6. They are classic, woven placemats that can be used indoors or outdoors and measure about 15 inches in diameter. These are simple but effective and really quite versatile as well. You can choose from a whole bunch of colors and keep it neutral or colorful. There are colors like red, pink, bright green, aqua, Baja blue, orange, yellow, dark blue, eggplant, off-white and brown, or beige. The mats are made with 100% polypropylene, so they are thick, durable, and very easy to clean. They are woven so they will protect your table from heat and spills. These placemats are so simple and yet so charming. They add the perfect pop of color to your table setting, no matter where you are serving. Pros: simple and versatile, durable and well made, easy to wipe clean. Multiple color options. Full set of 6 circle placemats. Cons: some users noticed a strong chemical odor at first with these, so they may need to air out. These are very thin to the touch and not very soft. Number 4, IMMOKAZ Round Table Placemats. These round-shaped placemats come in a set of 4 and are made from the highest quality PU materials. The wood-textured finish on these placemats make them ideal for almost any dining table. They are stylish and designed to complement the home decor and enhance the ambience when having a meal. Since they are made from heat-resistant materials, resting hot plates or serving trays on them won't cause any wear or fading. In terms of functionality, these placemats protect your table from stains, scratches, and food spillage. Each placemat has a width of 17.7 inches and a height of 11.8 inches, making it big enough to accommodate most crockery. Pros: easy to wash, elegant design, waterproof design, available in different colors. Cons: they might get rippled quite quickly. Number 5. Shacos Round Table 4-Piece Placemats. This set of 4 placemats by Shacos is crafted from 70% PVC and 3% polyester. It protects your dining table from scratches, stains, and becomes a decorative piece when having guests over for a meal. They are long and wide enough to accommodate large plates, bowls, trays, cups, and tableware. Each placemat has a wide upper size of 11.8 inches, a smaller wide size of 17.7 inches, and a height of 11.8 inches. The placemats can be used for indoor and door dining and can be cleaned using soapy water and a cloth. Given the looks of these placemats, they serve as wonderful gifts for a wedding or anniversary. Pros: reversible, easy to clean, easy to maintain, available in different colors. Cons: the curve of the placemats may not always fit the curvature of your table. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.